I just want to show everyone this oxido, I guess is how you pronounce that. Basically, the light wouldn't come out, and the reason why is there's a little adapter piece. This thing actually had one fall out like down in the car in the engine bay. Anyway, these aren't any good. One of them, well, I mean, they're good for, I don't know, maybe like 6 months or something, but one of them burned out. The little screw is what just fell out. And I bought some new ones, but it looked like, see, it had this piece on there. I didn't think they fit, but it's because this piece was still stuck in there. And so all you see, you can't even put the old ones back in without getting this out. I used some needle nose. And then actually you don't even need that. If the little screw thing's still in here, you just continue to twist this thing until the whole thing lines up with this adapter too, and not just the centerpiece coming out. And then the whole thing will come out, but this will be kind of loose on there. So if this helps you to install your lights, give me a like and subscribe. Thanks.